Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Welcome to your daily updates on Ethereum. We're going to do a full update on Ethereum this morning again. Yesterday was quite a tense day, or at least in my, well, it wasn't, well, tense maybe is not a good word, but yesterday was a very important day, right? I mean, we spoke about the possibility of a breakdown and Ethereum potentially breaking down below its main support level at 2630, but we held that, right, and we held that quite well, and you can see also over the course of the evening, or like 2-3 hours into the US session, that we actually got some nice momentum as well. So as it stands, and that's also what we said yesterday, that technically was most likely, as it stands, Ethereum is quite stable on the lower time frames. This is the 30-minute time frame, which is quite extreme, that's quite low, but also on the higher time frames, Ethereum is doing fine, right? I mean, yes, this is the first time that we actually do see some resistance, and I think it's good to be, that's a great limit order, but we'll talk about that later. And I think it's good to be aware of what's going on right now with Ethereum, and that yes, we have hit a major resistance level, and that this is the most bearish momentum we've seen basically in the entire month of July, right? So does that mean something? Yes. However, if you line everything up, right, so then we're talking about the fundamentals for Ethereum, which at this point of time are still very good, still a lot of institutional demand. I think stable coin supply on Ethereum, which obviously Ethereum is one of the main beneficiaries of stable coins becoming more normalized and more used. But I think the supply reached like $140 billion, which is quite crazy. So the fundamentals are still great, and the technicals are as well, right? I mean, on the daily time frame, yes, we are at a major resistance level, but we also broke above a major resistance level with this level right here at 3,500, 3,600, which you can also see historically is very well respected, and we actually have quite a lot of liquidity there as well. And then on the lower time frames, we are also still very much holding a very bullish structure, right? We haven't had a break of structure yet. That's where that level at 3,630 comes in. If that breaks, then we have a break of structure. And I actually do think over the course of today that we will test that again, right? So right now there's quite a lot of bearish movement. I wouldn't call it pressure because the volume is very low, right? So I don't really care about price action like this. But if it continues, like we're going to test that level at 3,630. Now we luckily also have the 7-day rolling VWAP rolling up. So as long as we hold this at 3,630, or if we drop down to the 7-day rolling VWAP, touch that and reclaim, which is a beautiful intraday trading setup, by the way, we're fine, right? And we're holding a bullish short-term structure. The fundamentals are good enough, and we can still expect a move up higher into that level towards $4,000, which is very simple, but that's my main price target at this point of time. So as long as this level holds, I think this is most likely, right? I don't see enough momentum to guarantee that we're going to get that move into 4,000 this afternoon, right? That seems unlikely, but still, that seems more likely as long as we're holding this level. As we have done over the course of the last 24 hours, it is most likely that we'll see bullish continuation, regardless of this being the first time that we've actually had a daily red candle or 2 daily red candles after one another since the 1st of July. So I'll definitely keep you updated on this, because this is a coin at this point of time that you have to monitor. I mean, if something happens, right? So if we get bad news, whatever, if we have fallout between the United States and the EU regarding their trade deal, and Ethereum falls down below 3,630 without bouncing back up from the 7-day rolling VWAP, we are going to drop down, right? So that is something you need to be aware of, but is that most likely right now? No. So this is my prediction. I will keep you updated on that, of course, but that is at least what you need to know regarding Ethereum for now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.